Hello, hi, assalamualaikum, and a very good night to Madam Ajunta and fellow friends. I'm Erna Wati Binti Pual, number matrix 146981. I'm a student from School of Education and Tech Across Special Education. I'm year 3 and I'm 24 years old. Okay, my topics for today is related to the world. What happened to the world? What happened to our environment, our surrounding? What happened? Okay, my topic is about melting of iceberg and polar caps. Okay, before I start my speech or my topics, I would like to explain the definition of polar caps and iceberg. Okay, iceberg is defined as a large floating mass of ice detached from a glacier or ice sheet and carried out to sea. It is also known as ice cap, glacier mass, and snow slide. Glacial ice cover 10 until 11% of all land on Earth, and according to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, called NSIDC, if all glaciers melted today, the seas would rise about 230 feet, which is about 70 meters. Since the 19,000s, many glaciers around the world have been rapidly melting. This phenomenon could be made news for the future, as there will be several effects that the universe might encounter. Hence, in this video, I would like to present the causes and the effect of the melting of iceberg and polar caps. Okay, first and foremost, human activities are believed as one of the contributing factors to the melting iceberg. It can be proven when industries factories are growing rapidly due to the industrial revolution. For instance, the activity of deforestation, where numerous trees are cut down until they get extensive and suitable land for construction purposes. Greenhouse gas, such as carbon dioxide, is the primary greenhouse gas that contributes to temperature rising. We will be devastated by this natural disaster. As a result, it will fully impact our lives negatively and will activate the iceberg melt. In addition, global warming is also believed to cause iceberg to melt. Global warming is the slow increase in the average temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. It happened due to the increased amount of the energy or heat striking the Earth from the sun is being trapped in the atmosphere and not radiated out into space. Global warming can also refer to climate change that causes an increase in the average temperature. This phenomenon is believed caused by the natural rotation of the sun that changes the intensity of sunlight and move closer to the earth. Besides, a single volcanic eruption will release the amount of carbon dioxide and as which increase the carbon dioxide gas. This has caused the temperature of the earth to increase, where the carbon dioxide gas traps the solar radiation in the earth. Okay, due to these factors, there are some painful effects faced by environment, human, and animals. One of them is increasing the amount of water in the ocean. Melting of these ice caps causes excessive flooding, which is very dangerous for the people and animals that are living in those areas as it would destroy homes, habitats, and lives. Furthermore, polar ice caps and ice glaciers on higher altitudes melt faster, which forms new lakes and raises river water levels as well, causing floods. This is also a cause for concern among people because when the water level of this river rises and the lake breaks, it leads to a major catastrophe that destroys everything that crosses its path. Mm, Generation before us did not take this measure, but maybe our generation should. The melting ice caps are having dramatic effect on humans and the wildlife of the earth. For example, the once prominent ice is now melting at a dramatic speed, which is affecting native people, wildlife, and plants. Polar bears, whales, walrus, and seals are changing their feeding and migration patterns, making it harder for native people to hunt them. Because of the flooding, entire villages will be uprooted in order to avoid being swamped. Therefore, this shows that the phenomenon of melting iceberg and polar caps will severely affect us. As we can see how melting iceberg and polar caps affect our world, there might be something that we can do in order to prevent the effect of this phenomenon. Actually, there are some solutions that the government, community, and society can do. For example, we should be more conservative with energy usages. Practice the 3R. What is 3R? Reduce, reuse, recycle in our daily lives. And also, we can reduce the effect of deforestation by planting the trees. Other than that, the teachers also have a big responsibility to educate the students about the consequences of iceberg melt and how to act against it. To conclude, the communities should be working together to increase awareness about environmental sustainability to protect the world. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.